Hello everyone and welcome to a quick YouTube tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to turn off ambient mode on YouTube. This is actually quite simple. To do this I first open YouTube and as we can see the ambient mode is currently activated. To change this I click on the options down here and find the settings for the ambient mode. Now I click on the slider and the ambient mode is deactivated. So as you can see, this is actually quite simple if you know where the function is hidden. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.